Okay, today is sorry, mine is, whatever, February 20th, 2011, Sunday. It's currently 4:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is my personal log entry. Let me stand up, sit upright, and my camera is inverted. And my right is actually my right, and my left is actually my left, versus my left being my right, and my right being my left. So this is actually my actual left hand, you know? Excuse me. I found something. I bought this, I think, in 1999 or 2001. One of those years. It's from Boy Scouts. It's a star chart. I think I was trying to get my astronomy badge or astrology badge, merit badge. And it's kind of faded here, but it's like a sky alignment thing, you know, like the night sky. Like, it's like a sky map. Like if you're like hiking through the woods and you don't have a map of where you are, but you do use the stars to locate, like locating true north. You know, like this here will probably help you out with that. Like to identify the stars in the skies. Like north latitude, night sky. Right? And south latitude. It's located in the south. Alright, let's see, what month then? February. 30 to 40 degree angle. February. Should be right here. Alright, 25th. No, we're on the 20th. Alright. So, we'd be near Pegasus. And this is if we're looking south, right? So, watching. There's Pisces, Pegasus, Aquarius, Capricornus, Aquila. I see the north hemisphere. That's Cepheus. Wow. Cassiopeia, Andromeda, Pegasus, Aquila, Hercules. A few cookies. I don't know. All of these are in Greek or something, you know? Kind of baffled me when I had this, like, in Boy Scouts, but it was just still interesting on. Let's just start. Oh yeah, Vega. Lyra, Vega, Cepheus, or Cepheus, Cassiopeia, Polaris, Andromeda, Pisces, Cetes, Aquarius, Delphinius, I don't know. Yes! I'm making a video on YouTube! I know! Okay, I'm busy! It's nice to know. I don't care. It's none of my business. But yeah, I was just talking about star chart I bought from Boy Scouts when I used to be in Boy Scouts years ago. I used to use this to try and locate like true north or something in the sky if I hiked that night or something. Then camping at Broad Creek or something. But yeah, it's fun. I was trying to get an astronomy badge and it failed. Right? Like true north, the brightest star in the sky at night, or the moon, you know, just locate your way through like the wilderness. I have compass, that, and night sky, and moon. I just trying to train myself to utilize those things. And Boy Scouts was fun. I mean, I think I got my weather merit badge. Okay. Let me put on some music. Alright guys. Are you making chicken? Smells great. I'm gonna put on what is that? A soundtrack. Music is brilliant, man. Put it in my Profound Music playlist on iTunes. Can't wait till Elder Scrolls 5 come out. It's gonna be genius. I know it. And they're making another Final Fantasy 13 episode 2 or something. Alright, where is it? Cut the volume down. Alright, so yeah, I found my Spa DVD. It's not a DVD, but it's a CD. There's Spa music on it. Nice. Bought this like a couple of years ago, like 2006 or 2005. And I have a lot of music I bought with this. And my Hawaiian music. Let me get the rest of it. I got some salsa music in the back. It's like luau music, Halloween type of stuff, I don't know. Bought this in 05 as well. Spa music. It's comfortable. It's by a guy named Roger St. Denis something. I don't know. Hawaiian music. This is by like Don Ho or someone. Ukulele and all this other stuff. It's pretty brilliant. Check this out later. I think I already have it in my iTunes thing. But yeah, let me go back to the Boy Scouts thing. I can't find my weather kit. This and the weather kit. I think I have the weather kit later. Like, it teaches you about different types of clouds, stratus clouds, something. It's like another type of cloud that is only found near mountainous regions or something. You know, it's like high in altitude and shape and form differently and all. I think I'm trying to get my weatherman badge and my astronomy. Or meteorology. I think weather and meteorology. I don't know. Fun things in Scouts, man. The compass, weather kit, trying to create like a radio out of tinfoil and what is that thing? That a toilet paper roll, you know. My scout leader named Stanley A. Taylor. He's like from the Navy and he specializes in some of that type of stuff. He's teaching us like how we can like actually get radio signals by creating like a homemade radio or something, you know. I don't think we used a battery. I think it was like solar power or something. You know, it was awesome, man. Radio kit, weather kit, astronomy kit, you know, etc. And a compass. Boy Scouts was fun, man. Yeah. I finally found my Soloist DVD. You know, I was watching this last night. It's a pretty interesting movie. It makes me question like evolution and stuff. You know? I think I've taken notes on Twitter. Like what I was just thinking about. On my Quantum Flux Twitter name. But yeah. You know? I'm really happy I have my Soloist DVD. Like Soloist makes me question the balance of evolution. Like Earth, for example. Like Earth itself. When I used to think of the term evolution, I used to think about it as like the animal kingdom or humans evolving from like simians or something, which evolved from like whatever else. But you never think or take into question or extent that the planet itself is a major component of evolution. Like it's the planet that evolves, which creates life and all, right? So I'm like Earth's evolution is based upon like creating life forms or whatnot, you know. But what if the planet itself was like its own life form, you know, something like that? So I was thinking about with the bounds of evolution of the conceptual portrayal or presentation of like some science fiction type of thing regarding Soloist. You know, like Soloist makes me question the balance of evolution. Like we are part of Earth's evolution and all, which spawned off like the animal kingdom and the human race, like being sentient, sapiens and all. Like what if another planet evolved in a special way? You know, like what if they have elements found on another planet that isn't found on Earth, which still like takes part in its evolution or something, right? Like, what if a planet was like a giant plant-like organism with its weird way of evolving, or another planet have elements not found elsewhere, you know? What if there's like elements that somehow like cause dark energy to have special properties and all, you know? And yet we don't have that sort of element here on Earth. So it's not found within our solar system or region or something, you know? Maybe it's totally outside our nebula, so crap. I forgot the name of this nebula. I thought it was called Eagle Head Nebula. All I know is we're in the Orion portion of the Milky Way. but I forgot the name of the nebula that this solar system is in. So I think it's just called the local cluster or something, right? But yeah. But what if a planet was like a gigantic bioorganism that somehow generated its own bio-consciousness with elements known and unknown Earth? You know, like what if like the same like an element behaves in such a way like the human mind behaves or something? You know, a planet. I mean, like what if like a planet was like a giant consciousness or something? You know, I don't know, something weird. Like that's what I thought the movie Solaris is about. Like maybe that planet is like a planet that has like a lot of elements that generates its own bioelectricity or something, thus resulting in some sort of massive consciousness or some crap, right? Yeah. You know, magic is just stuff science hasn't made boring yet. Alright, you know, science is like scientific magic or something. Or magic. No, science or technology is like magical science to me, you know. Well for teens. William Chen, he's a brilliant guy. Alright. I was reading that all from on Twitter. But you know, like, how common is evolution? What if there's way more elements in the universe than just a tiny fraction of elements found on Earth or here in our solar system even, you know? Like we get elements from like the sun and all. Like, you know, what if there like you have like in this like galaxy alone, there are like hundreds of billions of different stars. Like what if each star or whatever have like different elements composed in them that like make them more unique or special than other stars? Like what if a star is blue because it has more elements than like a star that is orange, like the sun, right? What if the star is bigger because it has more elements than a star that's smaller? You know, what if those elements aren't found in our stars? Or if they're like unknown elements or something? Or if those elements, like what if those stars with like different elements than like other stars like created their own solar system, which also may share different elements not found in like certain solar systems like ours and all. You know, which may have planets or even Earth-like planets have like special elements on there that isn't like found here on Earth, you know, right? Any of those planets can have like somehow have the common reaction of a common chemical reaction called evolution occurring on those, which could like just spawn off massive diversity and whatnot, you know, like infinite possibilities, infinite diversity, like some crap some like Vulcans would say from Star Trek. Infinite combinations, infinite possibilities, right? But how common is evolution, and what if there's way more elements in a universe than just a tiny fraction found here on Earth, or in a solar system, a local solar system, our solar system, sun solar system? Evolution is based upon chemical reactions, thus becoming biochemical, but chemicals are made of elements. Elements are universal, like the Carl Sagan's Drake equation, right? You know, I think the Drake equation should be like I think you should like entitle it universal evolution or something, right? Like universal evolution equation. What if an Earth-like planet had a lot of elements that had properties of dark energy? You know, what if a planet itself produced dark energy, like the planet in Solaris, right? What if moons could be as identical as the planets? That's like the moon being exactly like Earth or something, or I don't know. Like it's like Ion is suspected as being as near Earth-like, but not quite Earth-like here in this solar system. But it's like you have like another moon somewhere else in this galaxy, like Io2, Earth-class moon. Like it's like instead of like being on the planet, you could like walk around the moon that is exactly like a planet on Earth, right? Somehow, some way, in another time or a space continuum. I don't know, but at least I've found my Solaris DVD, but I can't find the Solaris case. You know? I bet if I search good enough for the case, I could really find it. It's like I'm pretty sure it's over here somewhere in my room. Oh, this is a guest room. I used to sleep there. Switch rooms. It's funny. At first, I had the Solaris case, but I couldn't find a disc. This disc here. Now that I have the disc, I can't find a Solaris case. It's just irony. I can't find a damn case. Funny. I don't know. I bet if I search good enough, I can also find my Elder Scrolls 3 main disc. Like, the disc that goes here. I think it's downstairs somewhere. Or, I don't know, I could have put it in another case or something. I have the construction set disc and a